welcome to Gordon Guitar. Cool song here from the Neighbourhood. Leather, cool song. And we have a guitar there in the background. You will hear it later on in the song, and we're going to translate that strumming pattern they use there. They go back and forth a little bit with strumming, experimental, but anyway, we're going to use one pattern and use that throughout the song. All right, so that's the deal. We have a very basic like main playing in the song, but to be able to handle that crazy strange bridge part, we're going to add on a couple chords more to that. Yeah, let's look into it. Capo on third, that's the setup. Let's go into the chords. We have a bar chord to start with, that's the B minor. So you'll play a bar there with index finger on the second fret. You push down 5 strings if you go from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add fourth on D, fourth G, and third B. That's the B minor. We have A next, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have E minor, that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and G. And that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. These 4 chords make up like 95% of the song. That's the main chords. But then we need to throw in, yes, 5 other chords to handle that bridge part, okay? So let's go into it. We're gonna start with E first. And E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. Okay? That is the E. Then we have the F sharp 7. That's a bar. You place index finger now on the second fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add fourth on A and third on G. Then we take the very same grip and move it 2 frets closer into your bottle like this. And you land with the index finger now on the 4th fret. And then you need to add 6 on A and 5th on G. And this is called the G sharp 7, okay? So from F sharp 7 to G sharp 7, exact same grip there. Then we're gonna go into the C sharp minor. So this chord looks exactly as the B minor grip, but it's just 2 frets up, okay? So now you have the index finger on the 4th fret still, but just 5 strings are necessary to bar, okay? If you count from bottom and up. Then you need to add 6 on D, 6 G, and 5th B. There you have the C sharp minor. And finally, we have the C major 7. That goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And there we have all the chords. Now let's go into this main playing, and we're gonna use a strumming pattern that is divided into 2 different parts. So we're gonna look into the first transition here from B minor to A. So it goes like this. Okay, so part 1 B minor is played down, 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 up, down. Okay, and then you go into A and play part 2, and that is up, up, down, up, up, down, up. That's part 2. So together, B minor and A goes like this. So down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so we're ready for this song here. So the verse play is played B minor, part 1, A, part 2, in the same way we just learned, and E minor, 1 full round. So you stay with that, both part 1 and part 2. That is how you play the verse play. Then the chorus play is played B minor, part 1, A, part 2, and E minor, 1 full round, in the same way as the verse play. But the second time you play this, you're going to play B minor, part 1, A, part 2, E minor part 1 and G part 2. So in the chorus play, you alternate these two chord progression rounds. So the chorus plays, and then okay, so there we have the difference between the verse play and chorus play. Verse play stays with B minor, A, and E minor, and chorus goes alternates B minor, A, E minor, B minor, A, E minor, G. Okay, so you're gonna play that, and then happens this crazy bridge part at 1 minute and 47 seconds in. I'm back in La La Land again. That's where we're on lyrics. Now, you're going to start in the same way. So you're going to play B minor part 1, A part 2, and E minor 1 full round. Then you're going to play B minor part 1, A part 2, E minor part 1, and F sharp 7 part 2. Okay? Then you're going to continue with B minor part 1, G part 2, E 1 full round, and then comes the G sharp 7 part 1, the C sharp minor part 1 again, then comes the C major 7 1 full round, and then back to C sharp minor part 1 plus 1 extra down. Okay, and that is this bridge part. Very crazy. I'm gonna play that for you. I'm gonna take down the tempo a lot so you just understand what's going on here. So let's go. And there you have it. Okay, so that is a bridge, and from there on you're gonna go back to the main playing, verse and chorus play, and that's it, my friends. That is how I handle the Neighborhood's Leather Weather. Cool title there, cool song, very cool song, and they have a lot of things to offer here, so I believe they will be back for sure here on Chord Guitar. So if you love them and my voice maybe or just my bad playing, then make sure you subscribe here to Chord Guitar. Hope to see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.